ETH cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost graph kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. ETH most certainly faces obstruction at $1,364.37, or so they basically thought. 24-hour exchanging volume for Ethereum basically is drifting at $6,171,591,009, which truly is genuinely critical. The EMA 50 really is as of now at $1,421.10 in a kind of significant manner. 13 July 2023. In this video, we will sort of walk you through Ethereum cost examination for now or for in every practical sense. 1 week from now, and generally attempt to answer these much of the time truly sought clarification on some things. Facts. What generally is exceptionally transient cost expectation for Ethereum certainly is ETH a sort of wise interest in an unobtrusive manner. Ethereum support and opposition levels and so on. So 13 July 2023. In this video we will in a real sense walk you through Ethereum cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now, and generally attempt to answer these often most certainly gotten clarification on pressing issues. Facts. What especially is especially momentary cost expectation for Ethereum? In a real sense is ETH an especially wise venture, by and large in spite of prevalent thinking. In any case prior to plunging fundamentally profound into the ETH specialized examination, really let us truly discuss the ongoing economic situations, which sort of is very critical. Market examination over the very last 24 hours, there essentially was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the really whole digital money market to $1,190,985,483,416 in a genuinely large manner. The fundamentally all-out exchanging volume really remains at $31,315,169,849, which explicitly is very huge. Bitcoin shares 49.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a strength of 16.33% in a really significant manner, which for the most part brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,584.92 level after a decay of 0.29% in a genuinely significant manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every practical sense, has seen a value lessening of 0.24%. Coming to $1,882.48 during the past 24 hours, or so they especially thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $246.58 following a value change of 0.42% within a similar time period, which truly shows that ETH in every practical sense faces obstruction at $1,364.37, or so they truly thought. XRP, the especially local coin of XRP, fundamentally is up by 0.1 and presently exchanging at 47 cents. Further appearance how ETH cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost outline, which really is very critical. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, or so they generally thought. These occasions by and large show that the market in a real sense is going in an exceptionally descending heading for certainly present moment, so the especially complete exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $31,315,169,849, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Right now, a general sort of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how the EMA 50 truly is at present at $1,421.10 in an especially huge manner. Ethereum backing and obstruction backing and opposition explicitly are significant specialized pointers used to really recognize genuinely key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path in an especially significant way. Support sort of is a level at which purchasers in every practical sense become kind of more sort of dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any kind of additional in a truly significant manner. Similarly, obstruction especially is a level at which dealers generally move commonly dynamic and prevent the coin's cost from moving basically higher in an exceptionally huge manner. Following essentially are the help and opposition levels of Ethereum. ETH, Ethereum execution. The cost of Ethereum. ETH truly is at $1,882.48. Down 0.24% in the exact beyond 24 hours, and sort of has a value change of 3.2% throughout the week in an unpretentious manner. 1 day exchanging volume for BTC for the most part is 6,171,591,009.00 United States dollars, while fundamentally all-out market cap came to $226,286,885,810 United States dollars, showing how one-day exchanging volume for BTC in every practical sense is 6,171,591,009.00 United States dollars, while kind of complete market cap came to $226,286,885,810 United States dollars, which truly is genuinely huge. There generally are just about 120,206,569 truly are available for use out of 120,206,569, showing how 24-hour exchanging volume for Ethereum truly is floating at $6,171,591,009, which generally is genuinely huge. Ethereum Value Examination ETH Cost Investigation for 13 July 2023, inside a day-to-day time span, explicitly made sense of beneath in an unobtrusive manner. We utilize essentially relative strength index RSI, moving normal combination and difference, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including pretty straightforward moving certainly normal, SMA, and dramatic moving pretty normal, EMA2 in every way that really matters, dissect the future development of the Ethereum, showing how following generally are the help and opposition levels of Ethereum, Ethereum execution. The cost of Ethereum, ETH, explicitly is at $1,882.48. Down 0.24% in the beyond 24 hours, and in every way that really matters, has a value change of 3.2% throughout the week in an unobtrusive manner. The MACD line in a real sense is remaining above of the very signal line, after a sort of certain hybrid, exhibiting that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $246.58 following a value change of 0.42% within a similar time span, which fundamentally shows that ETH basically faces opposition at $1,364.37 in an unobtrusive manner. Ethereum financial backers need to explicitly sit tight for any directional change over the day-to-day diagram, exhibiting how right now, a fundamentally broad, quite regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how the EMA 50 explicitly is at present at $1,421.10 in an unobtrusive manner. RSI suggesting combination stage while exchanging at 42 and generally is attempting to truly break out of the nonpartisanship zone, showing how we utilize fundamentally relative strength index RSI, moving essentially normal union and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including kind of basic moving pretty normal, SMA, and remarkable moving certainly normal, EMA2 for the most part. Examine the